Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction of the Highway 2000 leg from Maypen to Mandeville. We are now on the Melrose Hill bypass and we're going to get a quick tour of the Highway 2000 project. So Highway 2000 is a project where you're going to build a highway from Kingston to Maypen, which is finished, and then you're going to extend the highway from Maypen to Mandeville, and that is under construction now. So that leg of the highway is what we're going to look at now. So straight ahead you can see the highway. Now the highway is going to cross over Melrose Hill, the Melrose Hill bypass, sorry, and so they're working. You can see the highway being built on both sides of the road, and then a bridge or an overpass is going to be built here, and the highway will go across. Okay, so this is the actual highway. So this road will run all the way back to Rio Mino in Clarendon and join up with the existing highway at that point. So when this road is finished, you can drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 45 minutes. I must say that the government is doing an excellent job in building these highways. This project, the Highway 2000 project, was started years ago. I'm not even sure which government, it doesn't matter which one. I mean, whichever government is in power has continued the project, and it's a very nice project. It was well needed. So I must say they're doing an excellent job. This highway Highway 2000 is going to run from Kingston to Maypen, and then from Maypen to Mandeville, which is the road we are on now. This is the road that's going to run all the way to Mandeville, and then from Mandeville it's going to go to Montego Bay. So it's going to go right across the island. And another leg of the highway is going to go from Maypen to Discovery Bay on the north coast, where the Montego Bay leg and the Discovery Bay leg will merge with the northern coastal highway, which runs on the north coast from Negril to Port Antonio. And also there's another highway that's being built now, the southern coastal highway, and that runs from Harborview to Port Antonio. And in Port Antonio it will merge with the northern coastal highway, so you can drive around the entire island on a highway in a few years. The roads are being built now. The projects have all been assigned. We're not going to go much further because they're working up there and we don't want to interfere with what they're doing. And this road is going to be a dual carriageway. It will be the same as the PJ Patterson Highway, the leg that goes to Maypen now. I'm not sure if this leg or section of the road from Maypen to Mandeville is going to be called the PJ Patterson Highway also, or they might give it a new name, I don't know. Probably going to be the PJ Patterson Highway because the Edward Seaga Highway was also built in sections and it has the same name. Although the name was given to the highway was renamed the Edward Seaga Highway long after it was completed. But as you can see, progress is being made. We will look at one of the older videos that we have of the construction. We have a lot of videos up showing the different stages of the construction. It said this highway is between 60 and 70% complete, so looks like they're digging down the side of the hill there. But the actual path that the road will take looks like it's complete. We're not going to go any further. We don't want to interfere with what they're doing. But the actual roadway seems to have been dug out, and I guess it's just to pave this road now and put in the concrete barricades. So, the bridges are probably what is going to take a little time to be done to also. But I'm sure we could drive from here all the way back. Well, no, we couldn't because we'd have to pass some bridges. The same way the highway is being built on the left side and the right side of the Melrose bypass to be connected by a bridge that's being built now. So they're working on most of the bridges now. But you have to love the progress that's going on in Jamaica. I know I do. I like to see Jamaica improving like this, and you need a first world road network for a country to grow. You have to have it. Doesn't make sense it takes you 8 hours to drive from Kingston to Westmoreland. Not in this day and age. Before this road, or currently, to drive from Kingston to Mandeville takes about an hour and a half. And if there's traffic or an accident, it's even longer. So with this highway, it's going to cut the time in half. You can reach from Kingston to Mandeville in 45 minutes. And you're driving on a very nice road that has no potholes. It's a similar thing with the northern coastal, the north-south leg of Highway 2000. You can go from Kingston to Ocho Rios in 45 minutes. Before, it was a 1.5 hour to 2 hour drive. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.